Hey Sherpa users, just a quick video here to show you how to use different company names in your templates. So if you do want to do this, most people only want to use one company name and that's completely fine, but we do have some users who send messages in more than one market and like to use a company name specific to the area that you're sending to. So for example, we'll just open our template settings here. As you can see here, we have two company names, Fast Offer Denver, FO Denver, but maybe we want to put instead FO Miami. If we're texting in Miami as well, that's when this probably makes the most sense. But for whatever reason, you may want to use more than one company name, and that is just fine. So we have Fast Offer Denver and FO Miami. So I'll hit save. And so having two company names there, what this allows me to do is when I hit edit on a template or when I'm creating a new template, I now have this drop down option here. So if I'm entering a company name, I click the tag as usual, and it will automatically pop out our options here. And so maybe in this one, I'm going to use this template in my Miami campaigns. And so I'm just going to select this, and we can see here that one company name one, that's our Miami one. And so we know that's what's going to be used. Maybe I want to specify that this template is for Miami. And so I'll put that in the name. That way, when I'm sending messages out, I know, okay, this is my Miami template, so I'm going to use it in my Miami campaigns because I'm using my Miami company name. So then you can go through and edit all of your templates, create templates, and just select the company name that you would like to use here in the dropdown. If you have any questions, just reach out to support@leadsherpa.com. And as always, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just go to youtube.com/leadsherpa, and you'll always be updated with our new videos and webinar postings there as well.